Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to log in and log out of a learner's account on the LearnNova mobile application. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open the LearnNova mobile application on your device. So, let me open it and click on the sign in button. So, I've clicked on it. Then enter the username and password that I provided to you. So let's enter our username and password for this tutorial. Now, then once you have entered both, you click on the sign in button. Now you will be logged into the learner's account. Now that you are logged in, let's take a look at what you can do inside the app. Now on the explore menu, which is the first screen, you can see the subjects available for the learners class under the featured for you section. So now let me just click on the diction subject so we can see how the contents are arranged in a weekly manner. And then if you click on a week, you would see the lessons available for that. You will see the lessons available for that week. Now you can choose to stream the videos online if it's a video, and you can or read books online, or you can click on the download button to download the lessons for offline viewing. And you make sure that if you are watching a video, ensure the video player is not paused, because if the video player is paused, you will not be able to watch the video. So what you will do is that you will play back the video player to watch the video. Now you can then move on to the profile menu, as I said before, which is where you will see some basic informations about the learner, such as their username, name, their school class, and age. And now if you want to create a profile picture, all you need to do is click on the upload selfie. Once you click on that, you'll be able to take a picture, then click on the update picture to save that picture. And now if you want to delete previously downloaded lessons, simply click on the clear up storage button, and from there you'll be able to delete whatever lessons you have downloaded previously. Now when you are done using the app, if you need to log out, all you need to do is that on the profile menu, you click on the logout button, and once you click on it, it will bring out a message. Then you click on the logout button on that coming from the pop-up